Hi, I am Saeed, the proud owner and operator of Lupens Car Detailing, located right here in Kalamazoo, Michigan. If you are watching this video, it means you are interested in learning more about ceramic coating for your vehicle. I started Lupens Car Detailing 3 years ago with the passion for making cars look their absolute best, and we have been dedicated to provide top-notch detailing services ever since. Let me take a moment to answer some common questions we got about ceramic coating, which might help you decide if it's the right choice for your vehicle. Question number 1. What exactly is ceramic coating and why would I need it? Ceramic coating is a liquid polymer applied to the exterior of your vehicle, creating a protective layer that bonds with the paint. These provide superior protection against environmental contaminants, UV rays, and minor scratches. It also makes your car easy to clean and maintain its shine. Question number 2. Is ceramic coating only for luxury or expensive car? Absolutely not. While ceramic coating are fantastic for high-end vehicles, they are equally beneficial for daily drive like Toyota Camry or Honda Accord. The protection it offers is invaluable, no matter the type of vehicle. Think of it as putting a durable shade in your car, one that helps maintain its appearance and value over time. Question number 3. Is ceramic coating affordable? Yes, ceramic coating is a very cost-effective way to protect your vehicle. While the initial investment might seem higher than traditional waxing, the long-term benefits and saving on maintenance make it well worth it. Plus, at Lupens Car Detailing, we offer competitive price to ensure you got the best value for your money. Your car is a significant investment, and protecting it is essential. Ceramic coating provides long-lasting protection, keeping your car looking new for years. It shields your vehicle from elements and helps to preserve its value. We have applied ceramic coating to vehicles in Kalamazoo area, and we take pride in our expertise and attention to details. We understand that every customer and every vehicle is unique, so we tailor our services to meet your specific needs. If you have any question, or if you are ready to protect your investment with ceramic coating, please do not hesitate to click the button below this video or give us a call. We would love to answer any question you might have and help you choose the best option for your vehicle. Thank you for considering Lupens Car Detailing. We're looking forward to serving you and helping you keep your car in pristine condition.